My last video got cut off, guys. So I don't know. I hope I didn't hit that slow motion button again. But here's the last one. I just came out of this one. I don't know at what point the camera cut off. But these are the really big ones. You see the little slide out right there, but these are the really big ones. I don't want to have to pull something this big. Look at it. This is the sandpiper. And you see those over there, the Airstream, and then I'm not going to go over there and video those. But I have video all of these over here and these here. So, and like I said, now these are not the folding stairs here, but the one I just came out of actually had the folding stair, which is really cool. Okay, so I'm going in this one. This is going to be it. My video cut off on the last one, so I don't know. I hope I didn't lose all of my footage. But look at this. Just look at this. Look at this. You guys see? Look. Look at the floors. Just look. This is nice, nice, nice. It's a king bed. You got your dressers, your built-ins, that is. You don't have to worry about stuff like. And look at this nice sized bathroom. Just look. I don't know where that goes to. And a deep walk-in closet. Look at that. A deep walk-in closet. Look at that, guys. It's beautiful. All right, I cut the light out. Nice big shower. Your sink. Everything that you need on wheels. But I wouldn't want anything this big. If I wasn't afraid to pull it. Oh yeah. But and then look at this. Your washer and your dryer and another, like a half bath sort of situation going on here. Okay. So again, they didn't have any prices on anything in here. But just look at this. This is beautiful. Look at this. So you can make those in the beds. So it looks like this one would sleep about 1, 2, 4, maybe 4, between 4 and 6 people, because I don't really know how they open up. And look at the big screen. Built-in TV. Look at that, guys. And your fireplace. Just look at it. Your gas stove. Everything that you need. Your bar. Your Allen bar here. Everything that you have in a home. Full refrigerator. Full-size refrigerator. And then, of course, your pantry to put your kitchen items in. Microwave and all that. So anyway, I'm going to cut this off before I lose this footage. Yes. Really nice. 2 double drawers. Everything that you could ask for in an RV. And look at the decor. Look at the lights over the island. Ceiling fan. Everything that you can want. It's right in here. It's beautiful. So I'm gonna cut this off, and I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. Hopefully I didn't lose all the footage from the last one, because that one was really nice. It had the retractable steps. This one doesn't have retractable steps. You just need to be careful coming out, but they're nice and sturdy. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna shut this off. Again, this is the sandpiper. I won't be video going inside those. I'm about to shut it down. This is the Forest River sandpiper that I just came out of. And I went in that one. That's the one with you. And that's actually a bus that I went in just then. So I know that one is fairly expensive because you can drive it. And then these gooseneck things here, I won't want to pull anything around with this much. It takes somebody with experience. Yeah, I just want a small one, but I thought it'd be nice to just 2 of those. They are beautiful. Okay? All right. So until the next time, I'll let you guys know how much they cost.